Guys, there's something I want us to talk about. I want us to talk about almighty Bitcoin. I want us to talk about Bitcoin because I see in the market there is a lot of panic in the market. Because I know 90% of people rush to buy Bitcoin because they never wanted to suffer from what they call FOMO. FOMO just stands for the fear of missing out, right? So many people bought Bitcoin because they didn't want to suffer from FOMO. But now, just because they saw a small retracement in the market, there is panic everywhere. People are panicking everywhere, and I want to address that on today's video. So is Bitcoin crashing? Is Bitcoin dead? Or is it the end of Bitcoin? Or is it going to rebound very soon? That is what I'm going to cover on today's video to give you more reasons and more directions on how to make a better decision if you are having any holdings on Bitcoin. Before we even dash onto the video, if you want to get access to me one-on-one, if you want to get to my community where people are sharing ideas on a daily basis on which crypto to buy, how to buy, when to buy, and at the end of the month I give you guys which hot cryptocurrencies to buy, and the same cryptocurrencies I've been buying and holding for the past 5 years, which has increased my portfolio for almost 500,000%. So if you want to get in contact with me one-on-one, please make sure you click the link below to join my Patreon. On my Patreon, you can see I have different ties. You can join my Patreon, choose any of the ties on my Patreon, and you'll be able to have access to my Discord group where we have thousands and hundreds and thousands of people sharing ideas on crypto and Forex on a daily basis. Good. So let me just go here without taking much of your time. I'm just going to go here. Let me just go here and let's check on BTC. All right, let's just check on BTC. You can see here the current market price for BTC is at 58,000. So we even had a little bit of rebound today of 3%. So we've had a 3% growth today because for the past week BTC even went down to 56,000. Before we went down to 56,000, BTC was already almost at 69,000. So BTC went up to 69,000. Everybody was hyped. People went and bought. Then it went back down to 58,000. But now, let me just go to the technicals of BTC, and I'll be able to explain to you what to expect and what can possibly happen to BTC. All right. Good. You can see here. Here we have the graph. We have the chart. The chart for BTC. All right. Let me just change it to. Let me change this to the daily time frame so that we can have a bigger view. Daily time frame. Good. Here we have a daily time frame. Or let's go to trading view. I think on trading view we'll be able to have a better view. BTC USD. Good. So we have our BTC USD. Let's pull it up. Good. So here you see we have BTC USD. All right. I want to just show you guys what I'm seeing and what you should expect on BTC anytime soon. So here I can see I have some levels here. I'm just gonna draw my levels, and then I'll show you guys something after that. Good. I have my levels here. And then the market has also been pulling down from here to here. From here. Then we also have another key level somewhere here. All right, we also have another key level somewhere here. Then this one there was a triangular pattern here. Then let's go back right in October. Before the bull run, because this was a bull run that started some time back. The bull run started at 40,000. So I want to show you guys something very, very interesting. This was back in October. In October, right? This was back in October. Let me put this thing, guys, on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we can see things now very, very clearly. Let me put this one here. Let me put this here, and let me put this level, because this level is the level I've been watching for a couple of time now. So let me remove this and remove this so that we can see very clearly. Because I'm interested in the bigger picture, right? I'm interested in the bigger picture. Good. So you see, before we had the bull run, the market, this was last year, October. See what happened last year, October. Last year, October, we were at around we were trading at around $10,600. $10,600, right? Then immediately after that, before the end of the year, which was around December, that is where the bull run. That is where the bull run started. By the end of December, I think the market was around $30,000, as you can see. So from $30,000, it went up right up to I think 41,000 and retraced back to this level. So this level here is a very key important level. See, this level here is a very key important level. See what happened. This was on the 4th of December, right? We had this level tested. No, we had this level tested on the 3rd of January. The market retraced, and this was still on the 31st of January. The market came back to the same level. See this, the market came back to the same level, and this was when we have the 3rd quarter of the movement. From here to here, we had the big move right up to $64,000. $64,000, that was in April, on the 15th of April 2021. After that, the market was like, it was what we call a mini crash. So there was a mini crash. And what level did the market test after that crash? Back before the market came back to what? To the 30,000 level. The same 30,000 level it tested on the 21st of January. The same 30,000 level it tested on the 29th of January. The same 30,000 level it tested on the 19th of May. And it is the same 30,000 level it tested on the 23rd of June. And the same 30,000 level it tested on the 29th of June. That is almost about 4, about 5 times the market has tested that same level. You can see this is the same level. After that, the market came up. There was another major important level that the market tested somewhere here. And then after that, the most significant level we've had was the 69 level, the 69,000 level where the price was able to test the other day. All right. Now the price is currently here. The price is currently here. I can still expect this price to come back right down to the 53,000 level. I can expect this price. See, let me show you guys what can happen, what can possibly happen. This price can come right down to the 53,000 level. All right. If it come at the 53,000 level and it's not held there, it can come down. The next level the market will be looking to test will be the 41,000 level. So you can still expect BTC to go down to 41,000. It's possible. And if it goes down to 41,000 level and that level is not tested, then expect the market to go down to the 30,000 level. That is very possible. Technically, that is very, very possible. All right. Technically, that is very, very possible. So these are the key levels I'm watching now. If the price doesn't go up and break the 69,000 level, then I'll be waiting again to see if I can buy at 58,000. If I can buy at 53,000. If I buy at 53,000 and it keeps falling, then I'll buy the dip again. That's what I do. I'll buy the dip again at the 41,000 level. If I buy at the 41,000 level, which it should be sometime in 2022, and it doesn't hold, then I'll buy the dip again I'll buy the dip again when the market gets to the 30,000 level. That is what they call buying the dip. So I have 3 places I can buy the dip. And once I buy the dip in any of these places, obviously what goes down must come up and what goes up must come down. All right. When the market will rebound from any of these areas, that is when I'll be able to make all of those. I'll be able to make back my money. I'll be able to grow my account balance. So I'm prepared for any scenario. That is the same thing you do in trading. You should be prepared for any scenario. If this market has to keep falling, I know where to get in. I know where to buy more. And if it has to keep going up, I know key levels that I might be looking. And if it doesn't go down from there, and December is fun of Bitcoin is always fun of going highs, always fun of skyrocketing in December. If history has to repeat itself and Bitcoin has to go up, then from here we should be expecting Bitcoin to hit 100,000. All right, we should be expecting Bitcoin to hit almost about 100,000 anytime soon if the 69,000 level is broken. If the 69,000 level is broken at any time, then I'll be expecting Bitcoin to hit 100,000. So I have a bullish preparation and I have a bearish preparation. Bearish preparation, I have 3 levels that I'm looking for. I'm looking at the 53,000 level. I'm looking at the 41,000 level, and I'm looking at the 30,000 level. That is my bearish preparation. And my bullish preparation, if the market breaks the 69% level, then I'll be waiting for it to, I'll be waiting, or I'll be hoping for it to hit 100,000 before I can even wait for a retracement, or before I can look for different levels to recuperate, or different levels to add into my position. So that is that about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not crashing, it's just the history. History is just repeating itself. All right, if you go back, just go back, guys, you see history repeating itself over and over and over. Let me put this on a weekly time frame so that you can see. You'll be able to see history repeating itself over and over and over. See, this was, I think this one was 15 January. I think this was, 2015. 2015, by the end of 2017, you can see we had a bull run. After that, by December, you can see November and December. If history repeats itself, then we should be expecting Bitcoin to hit 100,000. But if history doesn't repeat itself, then we can even expect Bitcoin to even fall right down to the 41,000 level, or even the 30,000 level. It's very possible. But if history, see, this is November 2017. That is, and we had November 2016 was the same thing. Bitcoin rose. This is November and December 2017. Bitcoin was crazy. Bitcoin went up. Then look at 2019. 2019, the same time by December 2019, Bitcoin was also hitting all-time highs of 10,000. Then after that, it went down right down to 4,000. And see again by December 2020. That is where things started skyrocketing. So November and December, according to history, has always been the months where Bitcoin will always register the highest heights. All right. So if history repeats itself, then we should be hoping for Bitcoin to hit maybe 100,000 before the end of this year. But if history doesn't repeat itself, and I'm seeing this coin going back down to 31,000 level, or the 41,000 level, or the 53,000 level, this is very, very possible. All right, so that is that about Bitcoin, guys. It's good for you guys to always be prepared. Always be prepared for any scenario, whether it's going to be a bullish scenario or a bearish scenario, so that if anything happens in the market, you'll be prepared. That is the mindset of any profitable crypto or forex trader. That is the mindset. All right, so with that being said, we've come to the end of this episode. If you want to know more about this in-depth analysis, which currency to buy, when to buy, make sure you check my Discord, you check me out on Patreon. So just click the link below, and click the link, the Patreon link below, and you'll be taken to this page where you can choose any of the levels to join me on Patreon. When you join on Patreon, an invite or a private link group will be sent to you, where you can join my Discord group that has thousands and thousands. You can see that has hundreds and hundreds of people sharing ideas about crypto, which crypto to buy, and I'm also very active there, giving you guys active advice on crypto and on forex. So make sure you check me out on Patreon, and I'll see you guys on another video. And if you love this video, if you've gained something from this video, please smash the like button below. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that you can always be updated when I come up with awesome content like this. Also check these videos, which I'm going to leave the link by the end of this video. Watch this video so that you can have an idea about the whole analysis and videos that are also related to this particular video. Also feel free to check me out on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on another video. Peace.